We all use our phones for GPS when we ride. But what happens if you have an accident and your phone ends up flying meters away from you? That got me thinking, maybe there's a better, safer way to have navigation and music on my sport bike. So I started looking for an alternative, something built in. Like most riders, I rely on my phone for everything: GPS, music, calls. But if something happens, your phone could be too far to reach, or worse, damaged. Then I thought, what about Apple CarPlay? It's meant for cars, but I wanted to see if I could make it work on a sport bike. After some searching online, I found a CarPlay unit, but of course, the mount that comes with it wasn't made for sport bikes. So I did what every rider does, got creative. I grabbed a quad-lock universal mount and figured out how to adapt it to hold the CarPlay screen. It took a bit of trial and error, but eventually, it fit perfectly. Once it was mounted, I just connected it to the USB port I already had on the bike. Instant power, clean install, and no messy cables everywhere. Now I've got Apple CarPlay running on my sport bike. Maps, music, calls, everything right in front of me, hands-free. And if I ever have an accident, my phone stays safe in my pocket, still connected. So yeah, it took a bit of tinkering, but this setup works perfectly for me. If you're thinking about adding CarPlay to your sport bike, try it out. Just make sure it's secure and waterproof. If you enjoyed this build, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what mods you want to see next.